Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Winprofit80 version 2 indicator for MT4. Alright, the Winprofit80 V2 indicator for MT4. Now let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. All right, it's an indicator that provides arrow trading call and put signals for forex pairs in binary options. All right, so the indicator also provides additional filters, for accurate trading signals with alerts, right? Or rather for trading signals with alerts. Okay, it works for both new and advanced binary options and forex traders, right? So the indicator shows simple arrow trading signals. Okay, or we're still waiting for waiting for a particular signal, right? You can see it has both call and pull options. Okay, so or let's just try it on another asset. Let's see if something is going to come out real quick. Okay, so you have to wait for the indicator to get a signal. All right, so basically the indicator shows either a call option, right, or a pull option. Okay, this portion that is showing weight right now, if the signal is going to be a call, you're going to see call in here, right? You're going to see the call, and then with the current price, right, you're going to see call with the current price, and then or on your chart you're going to get your signal as well with an arrow, the call signal with an arrow, and then the expiration, the expiration as well. All right, expiration time of the option signal. Okay, similarly, if you have a put signal, you're going to find the put option, arrow signals are in red for the put, of course. For the call, the signals are in green. For the put, the signals are in red, right, with current price and then options expiration time. So if you are an options trader, we're actually using the forex chart to explain this indicator, right? But if you are an options trader, you might want to try out this indicator, and if it fits your trading strategy, or if you find it useful, then you can consider taking advantage of the indicator. All right, but remember to always get your confirmations, and remember to always get your confluence, and do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.